1991 Impel line drive AAA 12 card baseball poly pack. And I just realized it's open at the bottom, so it's been searched. But okay, that's all right. We'll see what we can find. See if they left us anything. Make it easy for us to get into it. All right, they left us with Jose Melendez. Oh yeah, I've seen these cards before. Kevin Wickender. Ricky Bones. Ricky Horton. Bernardo Brito. Don't remember him. Chris George. Dan Schaefer, Francisco De La Rosa, he was for the Rochester Red Wings, Esteban Beltry, Ed Puig, Kurt Ford, and finally Don Vessling. Now there was supposed to be 12 cards in here. Let's see what they left us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, they left us all 12. Must have not been anything in there that they were interested in. There you have it. A searched 1991 Impel line drive pre-rookie 91 AAA 12 card poly pack. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.